Okay. It's mostly going to be. I'm going to blow up most of your board.
Wait, you're gonna blow up most of my board?
Yep. In one turn.
What are you gonna play?
You know that card I just put to my hand
Yeah.
last turn? Noxus Gearhulk. He's 2 less now, or he's now 5 less. I'm gonna cast Memark, and then I'm gonna pay 2 black because that's all he costs.
Some big brain plays, eh?
He is 2 black. I'm gonna cast Noxus Gearhulk. I'm gonna blow up Starfire or Jetfire.
Jetfire, be toxic one more time. I swear to you.
He died.
Few moments later.
Let me guess, you're gonna kill Megatron too. You're taking him.
Yep. Your turn.
This man literally took Megatron away. Megatron is slave to no one.
For regaining my free will, even over a mangled and deficient frame, is preferable to enduring a waking life as your slave.
Alright, I got these two. Man.